For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube, TriStars. TriStars, another new video. In this video, YouTube, here in Pennsylvania, and in this video I'm gonna do some chain down. I'm gonna do some chaining, right? I'm picking up reels. These are some wire reels for electrical company back in Canada, and I'm in Pennsylvania at the moment picking up this load to take back to Canada, right? Now, based on the information I got from dispatch, the shipper is gonna nail some board down on the flatbed to help secure the reels from shifting. So you know, I think this is something like 2 feet apart. Then they will load 3 in each row. In each row. It's a very light load, not necessarily a heavy load. So it's gonna be 20 reels, electrical reels. You know, like I said before, not too heavy, but it's my first chaining down. Well, no, I did chaining and training, but just for us. So all my my subscribers, you know, TriStars checking in, and thanks again for everyone that watching. You know what I mean? Thanks again for all my new subscribers, and I mean, please continue to share the video. I see work going on. You know what I mean? Thanks for all the emails, and as you know, let's just get right into it now. TriStars. Let's go inside the warehouse, check out what's going on, and TriStars, YouTube! Big up everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out. So it's like 1 feet apart, 2 feet apart. That's it for you. Okay, okay. What is that gun called? What is that gun called? Yeah.
It's a nail gun.
Huh?
It's a gas nail gun.
It's a gas nail gun. Can I take it out? So this is the actual cartridge, right?
Yeah.
Take it out. So it's all nails in this. All right, man. Thanks. A little bit too much, I guess. Yes, YouTube, so TriStars. You know, we finished load. You know what I mean? This is our final job. You know what I mean? We chain down. So it's 20 coils, 3 in a row and 2 the other far back. And that's about it. So you know what I mean? So as I may say, most of my subscribers them already know about this type of work, you know what I mean? So this is actually my first chopping down, or pickup I should say, for delivery. So I'm looking at it as a pretty good job, you know what I mean? So just one more sightseeing for those who was wondering what's the finishing touch. Maybe you see it or maybe you're not, but this is it. So TriStars, I check out, you know what I mean, with the inside of the trailer. And we take a look before we go across the border because we're going back in Canada. So this is the pickup. Big up, thanks for tuning in, TriStars, I check out. Please remember to subscribe. Peace out, TriStars. How was it, YouTube? How was it? Like I said, chaining down reels in Pennsylvania. I mean, going back to Montreal, Canada. I just want to say thanks to all my viewers, you know what I mean? Big respect to all my commenters, you know what I mean? All the people that leave comments. Yeah, you know, TriStars checking out. Well, you know, I just want to say thanks for watching. And I just want to say please subscribe if you're not already. You know what I mean? And, you know, give me a 1 share, or, you know, 1 like, you know, them things they kind of work, motivate the editor, you know what I mean? So, yeah, like I said before, big up everybody and thanks for tuning in, you know what I mean? I TriStars this, you know, always have something new. I may have a lot more video coming out, you know, don't feel like say, because we don't see no video a roll out like it's supposed to. Don't feel like me stop, you know what I mean? Like I said before, you know, you have to make sure say you're doing it, you have to make sure you get the work right. And to be honest with you guys, to be honest, it's like when I finish work, I'm so tired, you know what I mean, to go to the laptop to finish up editing, you know what I mean? I have so much video that I edit and put aside to be continued, you know what I mean? But don't worry, I got it, and I mean, I'm gonna take some time off and finish up all these videos, you know, to release, because I'm seeing that I'm you know, at least 3 to 4 videos I should be putting out every week, right? And I'm seeing I'm already making 1, you know what I mean? But no worries, I'm a hard worker, and I'm dedicating myself and my time to make sure my promises are fulfilled to all my subscribers on YouTube. Big up on yourself, TriStars. Hear me say now, keep on watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. Big up, TriStars. Out.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.